Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel, Commerce Tute, your flight to success. And yes, students, in this video, I'm going to solve chapter number 3 exercise. That is question number 1, A, B, C, D, and E. Okay, I have almost started of this chapter's videos. In the process will be uploaded very soon. मुझे लगा जैसे आपके टर्म के एग्जाम्स करीब आ रहे होंगे सो डेफिनेटली दिस वीडियो विल हेल्प यू इन tackling the objective type of questions. ठीक है, so this is the reason I'm just solving this entire exercise, objective type exercise आप बोल सकते हो. तो without delaying much children, let us begin. ठीक है, now question number 1 says select the correct answer from the options given below and rewrite the statements. Students, whenever you read the question, kindly read calmly, understand the question and then only opt for the answers. Okay, I have already highlighted the answers, you are aware, but still I would like to tell you in the examination and all. Okay, so the first one is dash refers to capital made up of equity and preference shares. Definitely share capital. ठीक है, second one is dash capital refers to maximum capital a company can raise by issuing shares, and definitely it is authorized capital. Authorized capital ही है जो maximum capital a company can raise by issuing shares. ठीक है, then the third one is dash means shares are offered to public. Definitely जब हम shares public को offer करते हैं तो उसको हम कहते हैं public issue. Then under dash method issue price of shares is based on bidding. जब हम bidding की बात करते हैं या issue price of shares की बात करते हैं तो definitely ये कौन से method में होता है students? It happens in the book building method. ठीक है, then in dash shares of a company are offered to public for the first time. इसका मतलब है शेयर्स कंपनी के जो शेयर्स है जब हम कंपनी को पब्लिक को पहली बार देते तो उसको क्या कहा जाता है? उसको कहा जाता है इनिशियल पब्लिक ऑफर, IPO. Sixth is a dash is offered to existing equity shareholders. Rights issue. Students, existing equity shareholders, existing employees नहीं बोला है, so kindly understand. So the right answer is rights issue. The next is bonus shares are issued free of cost to dash. Definitely ये existing equity shareholders को दिया जाता है, remember, as a gift. Okay, then next is eighth one, dash are offered to permanent employees, directors and officers of a company. Definitely bonus shares, rights issue, these are existing shareholders को दिया जाता है depending upon their shareholding. तो यहाँ जो option है वो है ESOS. ठीक है, the right answer is ESOS. Then ninth one, under dash a company offer its securities to a select group of persons not exceeding 200. Definitely the right answer is private placement. प्राइवेट प्लेसमेंट में ही ऐसे होता है जहां पर कंपनी अपनी सिक्योरिटीज देती है ग्रुप ऑफ पर्संस को, लेकिन दे आर नॉट एक्सीडिंग मोर देन 200. ठीक है, देन the dash have the power to allot shares. Definitely board of directors. Letter, next one, letter of dash is sent to applicants who have been given shares by the company. Definitely letter of allotment दिया जाता है ना, जब आप एप्लीकेंट को शेयर्स दे देते हो तो डेफिनेटली उनको आप एक एविडेंस क्या दोगे, एक्नॉलेजमेंट क्या दोगे? लेटर ऑफ अलॉटमेंट. डैश इज अ प्रूफ ऑफ टाइटल टू शेयर्स. इट्स ऑल अबाउट शेयर सर्टिफिकेट. अगर आप शेयर होल्ड करते हो तो डेफिनेटली आपका प्रूफ क्या होगा स्टूडेंट्स? शेयर सर्टिफिकेट. द गैप बिटवीन टू कॉल्स शुड नॉट बी लेस देन 1 month. Yes, 1 month is the right answer. 14th one, कंपनी कैन डैश शेयर्स ऑन नॉन पेमेंट ऑफ कॉल्स, फॉरफीट, पेमेंट अगर नहीं होता है तो कंपनी कैन कैंसल और फॉरफिट. इन दिस केस द राइट आंसर इज फॉरफिट. ठीक है, मैं उसका मतलब आपको, आई वाज ट्राइंग टू टेल यू द मीनिंग ऑफ फॉरफिट, दैट मीन्स कैंसिलिंग. सो द राइट आंसर इज फॉरफिट. 15th one, voluntarily giving away one's share to another person is called as dash of shares. Definitely the right answer is transfer of shares. यहाँ पर हम voluntarily दे रहे हैं. It is not happening by the operation of law. That is a very next question we can see below, isn't it? So the 16th one is dash of shares takes place due to operation of law, and that is transmission. Yes, the right answer is transmission of shares. So that's it about the fill in the blank, students. You have to choose the below object alternatives and rewrite the statement. So let us go to the next question, number 1b, and that is match the pairs. Students, you can see the arrows here, right? The first one, A, I'm talking about group A. The questions in group B, you have to find the right answers. So under group A, the first one is A1, death of a member. The right answer is transmission. Fifth one, transmission of shares. You can see this arrow coming to number 5. Okay. Then B, voluntary return of shares to company by members. So see this arrow is going to number 4. The right answer is surrender of shares. Voluntarily आप क्या कर रहे हो, shares return कर रहे हो, ठीक है, company को. So that is called as surrender of shares. Third one is price of shares mentioned in the prospectus. See the arrow going to the 9th point, students. I'll just scroll up. Yeah, scroll down here. You can see price of shares mentioned in prospectus. The arrow going here. The right answer is 9th one, that is fixed price issue method. Under this method, price of shares are mentioned in the prospectus. Then comes your ESPS. These are the options, if you remember. And to whom it is given, this option, students? This option is given to the existing employees. You can see the arrow going here upside. D is going to the third one, that is offered to existing employees. That means the right answer is the third one. ठीक है. Then comes your regret letter. Okay, regret letter कुछ याद आ रहा है बच्चों आपको? Yes, regret letter आप उनको देते हो जिनको आपने shares allot नहीं किए हैं. So that the right answer is the 6th one, that is non-allotment of shares. So this is the question number 1b, the first part of the match D. Yes, I hope you understood this. It's a very simple, children. You can read this through video as a part of revision. Okay, let us go to match the pairs part 2. You can see group A, where the questions are given on the left hand side and you have to choose the answers from the right hand side. Group B. Okay. Obviously, first one is issued capital, and you can see the arrow. The right answer is the 4th one, that is capital offered to public to subscribe. आप ये कैपिटल लोगों को, पब्लिक को देते हो ताकि वो सब्सक्राइब करें. FPO, yes, B goes to second point itself. Any issue after IPO. ठीक है, any issue after IPO. Third one is bonus shares. Definitely the right answer is 7th one, children. Bonus shares, free shares issued to existing equity shareholders. Let us go to the fourth point, D, issued within 2 months of allotment to the shares. The D one is the right answer, is the 5th one, that is share certificate. Within how many months? Within 2 months of allotment of share, देने के बाद 2 महीनों के अंदर उनको share certificate मिल जाता है. Then comes the last one, forfeiture of shares. उसका मतलब forfeiture of shares कब होता है? The right answer is the first one, children, that is non-payment of calls. जब आप calls का payment नहीं करते हो, जब आपको reminder दिया जाता है, a point will come when they will forfeiture the shares or cancel the shares. So this is about the match the pairs part 2. Question number 1b. ठीक है. Now let us go to the interesting part of this fill in the this objective type questions, that is the C part. Write a word or a term or a phrase which can substitute each of the following statements. Students, these are again very simple ones. You have to first read the questions carefully. Don't get confused because most of the time it is all about capital price. तो आपको थोड़ा क्लियरिटी होनी चाहिए कि किस बारे में पूछ रहे हैं. I have put the answers on screen. You can see on the right hand side in the text box, but still I'll read out for you and we will revise also and you will understand also. ठीक है. Capital collected by way of issue of equity and preference shares. Students, this was asked in the fill in the blanks as well. The right answer is definitely share capital. Second, part of issued capital subscribed by investors. मतलब वो part of issued capital जो investors ने या public ने subscribe किया है, that is called as subscribed capital. ठीक है. Third one, capital that will be collected only at the time of winding up of a company. Definitely it is a reserve capital. This is the right answer. Highest bid price in book building method is called as cap price or ceiling. Next, offering of shares by a company to the public for the first time. Students, for the first time जब भी कोई भी question में आपको पूछा जाए तो वो हमेशा IPO ही होगा, that is initial public offering. ठीक है. Then let us go to the sixth point. I'll just, this arrow, there is nothing about this arrow. I'll just go to the I'll go to the arrow mark and I'll just delete this. Okay, because you should not think about these arrows, because these arrows I have taken just to mark important, but anyways we will just remove them so that there should be clarity. Okay, now I think all the answers are on the right hand side, so there is no need to see on the left hand side. Yes, the sixth one is subsequent issue of shares after an IPO. मतलब ये FPO हमको previous question में भी पूछा गया था. FPO का full form क्या है? Further public offer or follow on public offer. You can also call it as FPO. So subsequent issue of shares after an IPO is FPO. ठीक है. Preemptive right given to existing equity shareholders to subscribe to new issue of shares by company is called as rights issue. Is called as rights issue, or you can say rights shares. ठीक है. It is called as rights issue or rights shares. Then eighth one, it is also called as capitalization of profits. Definitely it will be, what will be the answer, children, here? It will be bonus shares. Bonus shares are always used as capitalization of profits only, which are given to free gift के तौर पर दिया जाता है existing shareholders को. ठीक है. Ninth one, appropriation of shares to an applicant. Definitely allotment of shares is the answer. 10th one, committee set up to decide the formula for allotment of share in case of oversubscription. Which committee, children? It is allotment committee. ठीक है. 11th one, minimum amount to be collected from subscribers within 30 days of the issue of prospectus. You can see the arrow. इसका आंसर ये है, that is called as minimum subscription. 12th one, document which is a prima facie evidence of ownership of certain shares of a company, and the right answer is share certificate. Students, it is an evidence है ना. अगर आपके पास share है तो आपका evidence क्या है? Title of ownership क्या है? It is share certificate. 13th, penal action taken by company on non-payment of calls. Definitely students, ये previous questions में आया था, and the answer is forfeiture of shares. Match the pairs में भी आया था. ठीक है. 14th, person to whom transferor is transferring the shares? Remember? Yes, the answer is transferee. And the 15th point, transfer of shares due to operation of law, and the answer is transmission of shares. ये भी fill in the blanks में था students. So now you can understand that once you are aware about the chapters, how simple and easy it becomes to understand the objective type question. So थोड़ा सा alertness की जरूरत है, but otherwise you can score full marks in objectives. ठीक है? So let us go to the next part of the question number 1D, that is, state whether the following statements are true or false. Okay, so definitely this is again a simple question answer, I'm to say exercise. So let's see how it is. Only fully paid up shares are forfeited. False. Nahi. Other shares can also be forfeited. Partly paid up ho ya jo bhi ho, wo bhi forfeit हो सकते हैं. The member transferring share is called as a transferor. Definitely na, it's true. Share certificate is issued for partly or fully paid up shares. True. Allotment of shares must be done within 1 month of receipt of application. Wrong. अभी तो हमने पढ़ा था कि allotment of share का जो भी है receipt वो within 2 months देना चाहिए, तो it's false. Sweat equity shares are offered to directors or employees of a company. True. Remember different options, sweat equity, ESOS, ये सारे option वाले जो है वो सारे employees को, directors को दिए जाते हैं. 6th one, bonus shares are issued at a discounted price to the equity shareholders. No, it is false. Floor price is the highest bid price under book building method. False. ठीक है? Then students, these are already there. This book building के अंदर हमने पढ़ा है. Floor price को highest bid price नहीं कहते हैं. So that's why it is false. Calls not paid by shareholder is called as call in arrears. True, definitely. जो call वो pay नहीं करते उसको हम calls in arrears कहते हैं. 9th one, shares not offered to the public for subscription is called as subscribed capital. Wrong. It's called as not offered to public for subscription. Unsubscribed. Not offered to public for subscription is called as unsubscribed. तो यहाँ subscribed दिया है, तो that's why it's false. Authorized capital is mentioned in the capital clause of memorandum of association. True. ठीक है? Let us go to the E part of it. Okay. First one, authorized capital, equity share capital, issued capital, paid up capital. बाकी सारे classification है capital की. Equity share capital is a capital in itself, isn't it? जैसे equity share capital या preference share capital. So here the answer which you have to find, the odd one, is equity share capital. ठीक है? बाकी सारे शेयर कैपिटल के ही क्लासिफिकेशंस है, जैसे इशूड, सब्सक्राइब्ड, पेड अप. देन द सेकंड वन इज ESOS, ESPS, राइट्स शेयर, स्वेट इक्विटी. ये सारे एक्सेप्ट राइट्स शेयर, बाकी सारे ऑप्शंस है जो एग्जिस्टिंग एम्प्लॉयज को दिए जाते हैं या डायरेक्टर्स को दिए जाते हैं. राइट्स शेयर्स आर गिवन टू द एग्जिस्टिंग इक्विटी शेयर होल्डर्स. ठीक है? थर्ड वन, फ्लोर प्राइस, कैप प्राइस, ओके, एंड कट ऑफ प्राइस एंड फेस वैल्यू. स्टूडेंट्स, बाकी सारे प्राइस जो है वो बुक बिल्डिंग में आते हैं, है ना? फ्लोर प्राइस, इन द प्रीवियस ऑल्सो देर वॉज वन क्वेश्चन वेयर देर आर डिफरेंट प्राइजेस. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आपने कोई बिफोर वी हैव रेड ऑलरेडी यहाँ 7th में, फ्लोर प्राइस इज द हाईएस्ट बिड प्राइस हो, या फ्लोर प्राइस, कैप प्राइस, दीज आर ऑल द प्राइजेस विच कम अंडर बुक बिल्डिंग मेथड, है ना? यहाँ पे क्या होता है, आई जस्ट टेल यू, द लोअर एंड ऑफ द प्राइस बैंड इज कॉल्ड एज फ्लोर प्राइस. हाईएस्ट बिड नहीं होता. इनिशियली ऑल्सो व्हेन वी वर डिस्कसिंग अबाउट ट्रू एंड फॉल्स, फ्लोर प्राइस इज द हाईएस्ट नहीं है. फ्लोर प्राइस इज द lowest end of the price, ठीक है. So that's why it was false by the way. और अगर हम इस क्वेश्चन के अंदर देखेंगे तो ये सारे जो प्राइजेस है, फ्लोर प्राइस, कैप प्राइस, कट ऑफ प्राइस, these are all prices which are there in the book building method under public issue or public offer of shares, ठीक है. This is the second method you can say. First was fixed price issue method, remember. Okay, so in this case if you see, all these are the prices under book building under public issue, but except face value is the value at which the shares are given to the public. So that is the difference, that's why the odd one is face value, okay. Then next is bonus shares, right shares and ESOS. I think by now students, you all are very much clear, है ना. बोनस शेयर्स और राइट शेयर्स किसको दिया जाता है, एग्जिस्टिंग इक्विटी शेयर होल्डर्स को. एंड ESOS इज अ option which is given to the existing employees of the company, or you can say even the directors. And the last but not the least, allotment of shares, forfeiture of shares, surrender of shares. Students, this is a very simple one. Obviously forfeiture मतलब cancel करना, surrender of shares मतलब voluntary दे देना. तो दोनों तरफ एक तो मतलब बंद ही हो रहे हैं ना, आप खत्म कर रहे हो. लेकिन अलॉटमेंट ऑफ शेयर्स मतलब देना, यू आर अलॉटिंग द शेयर्स टू द पब्लिक, ठीक है. सो दैट्स व्हाई वी विल सर्कल और वी विल हाईलाइट द ऑड वन हियर इज allotment of shares. So students, in this video I have solved question number 1, A, B, C, D and E, so that it will give you a clear vision about the objective type questions, different types of questions. For example, fill in the blanks, match the pairs, give one word, true or false, and find the odd one. So it will really help you to revise it n number of times before you even appearing for exam. Also you can revise a lot on this. I hope this objective or this video will really help you in clearing your doubt and revising a lot. So that's it children, in this video. In this next video I will be continuing with the remaining exercises which I will be solving and uploading very soon. So that's it children. If this video have definitely helped you, kindly like, subscribe and share, because let it help others in studying. That's the main objective of Commerce Tute as well. So that's it children in this video. Thank you so much. Thank you.